Hi, Team Gerwell. You are flipping in fifth with me, Mrs. G. Today we're going to be talking about Topic 5, Lesson 1. And our learning target is, I will be able to divide multiples of 10, 100, and 1000 by 2 or more digits. Our vocabulary today, we begin with the word quotient, and that is the answer to a division problem. And then our next vocabulary word is battle of the zeros strategy. This is in a division problem. You can cross out 1 0 at a time on both sides of a division sign as a shortcut to finding the quotient. I'm going to teach you how to use the battle of the zeros strategy right now. Here we have a number, 6,300 divided by 70. Well, the first thing we're going to do is underline all of the non-zero digits in our problem. So we're going to start by doing 63 divided by 7. 63 divided by 7 is 9. This is where the battle comes in. So what you're going to do in the battle of the zeros strategy is you are going to cross off the zeros on each side of a division sign, but only one 0 can battle on each side. So here we've battled on each side of our division sign. So we've crossed off 1 0 to the left and 1 0 to the right. So how many zeros are left? That's right, 1. So we add that to our answer. So 6,300 divided by 70 is 90. Let's try another one. 6,300 divided by 700. Well, we already know by underlining the non-zero digits that 63 divided by 7 is 9. So it's time to battle. So here we're going to cross off 1 on the left side of the division sign, and 1 on the right, then 1 on the left, and 1 on the right. So do we have any zeros left? No, so our answer to 6,300 divided by 700 is 9. Let's try this one now. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can get it on your own, then come back and we'll walk through the answer. Okay, here comes the answer in 3, 2, 1. Again, the first thing we're going to do is look at the answer. The answer is 70. Is that what you got? Well, let's check out how I got that answer. We're going to begin by underlining the non-zero digits. So 56 divided by 8 equals 7. Now it's time to battle. We're going to cross off 1 0 on the left-hand side and 1 0 on the right-hand side. We still have a bunch of zeros left, so we can do it again. 1 on the left-hand side, 1 on the right-hand side. Now we still have 1 0 left on the left-hand side, but nothing on the right-hand side. So we're going to add that to our answer. So 56,000 divided by 800 equals 70. Now this one's a little bit harder. Can you do it? Oh, it's a little bit different this time. So now we're finding 21,000 divided by what number equals 700? How could we do this? Why don't you go ahead and pause the video, see if you can find the answer, and then come back and let's see if we have the same one. Okay, coming back in 3, 2, 1. Well, when you have a problem like this where you're finding out what the blank is or the answer is in the middle of the problem, remember in a division problem, you can just flip things around. So now we're going to do 21,000 divided by 700. We're going to underline the non-zero digits, and we know that 21 divided by 7 is 3, and now it's time to battle. We're going to cross off 1 0 on the left-hand side of the division sign, and 1 on the right, 1 on the left, and 1 on the right. Now we still have 1 0 left on the left-hand side, so we're going to go ahead and add that in. So now 21,000 divided by 700 equals 30. One thing that I taught you over and over and over is that in order to check your work, you do the inverse operation. So the inverse operation, or the opposite of division, is multiplication. So we're going to use mental math to check our answer. 3 times 7 equals 21. And then we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So are we correct? Yes, we are. Okay, here are your practice problems for the night. I want you to go ahead and write these down in your math notebook, and I want you to pause the video and see if you can get the right answers. Then come back and check your answers, and then we'll see how you did. And that's Chloe shaking. She just woke up. Okay, go ahead and write these practice problems down in your notebook, and then come back when you're ready for the answers. Here come the answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you battle and use mental math strategies to check your answers? I hope you did, because these are our answers. Number 1, 350,000 divided by 50 equals 7,000. Number 2, 7,200 divided by 80 equals 90. Number 3, 45,000 divided by 90 equals 500. Number 4, 120,000 divided by 40 equals 3,000. And number 5, 560 divided by 80 equals 7. Be sure that you not only showed the work that you did, where we're battling and crossing out our zeros, but also show me how you checked your answer with multiplication. That's the only way you're going to get full credit, because it's very easy to do this on a calculator, but it is also very easy to do it in your head, and that's the way I want you to do it. I want you to go ahead and use the battle of the zeros and show me you know how it's done. So before you go, make sure you've checked your work and you write how many you got correct. Be honest, it's not for a grade. Honestly, fill out the self-reflection. Could you teach this to a friend, or are you still a little bit confused? And then fill in the space for any questions you still have. Remember, you must write at least one question in this space. Have an awesome night, Team Girwell, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.